Crazy Karl's been a bit neglectful. But I was bored and I said, well, I'm gonna go slap a battery in this Reatta and see if the alternator's working, because previously, months and months and months ago, almost a year ago, came out here, cameraman Lou decided to start her up and was gonna take her for her weekly drive around the block, and she just died. Well, battery was completely dead. So finally I've decided to slap the new battery in after having this thing for months sitting around. And went to check the alternator, see if it's actually charging. And I have some pleasant news. And fingers on the camera. Boop, 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 boop. And of course somebody's got to be out here cutting the grass. I can't quite do anything with this, so I don't know if the car is overheating. Been running it for a little bit. But I managed to make the AC turn off. Yes, the AC works. Slightly. She got a little Earnhardt in her. A little bit of Dale. Do it for Dale. Do it for Dale. Woo! And as proof of concept, she's a little bit loud. Sorry if you can't hear me. See if I can do it one-handed. I cannot do it one-handed. Woo! We've got alternated. The charging whirler is whirling and charging, so that's good, I suppose. I mean, can't really go anywhere at the moment. There's a Scion in the way, but ooh, the brake pedal. Oh, I know it's kind of squishing to the floor. It kind of working. Let's reverse. Whoa! Damn. Oh! Oh, sorry. Also, I can't turn the radio off. Ah! Okay. We'll stop that. It's been running. I don't know if it's overheating, so I'm not gonna run it that long, but woo! Probably gonna also unhook the battery so it doesn't sit out here and die. Got a new power steering pump, number 62 34011 for the Sunny. Gonna slap that on. Sunny don't have a working battery, so I might steal this one to use for a bit. I mean, if he's not gonna use it, so obviously we're not gonna be, you know, road tripping the Spider-Mobile here, but might as well use the bat trip or something. I mean, not that I'm gonna be road tripping Sunny. Ah! Don't bottom out. I mean, don't ground out the battery on the, yeah. It's a really stupid design. Yes, clicklage, clickolators, click, clicky click, click. But yes, that is good. That is very good. I didn't do it. I set off the car alarm. Stop it. Ah, fingers on the camera. Stop it. Okay, that's all for this video, I guess. Crazy Karl shorts with Kit. Woo!